And then, yeah, we're gonna just go through these last couple ones. So, an ECS-based visual scripting, um, again, this is kind of a lower priority one for me. I do think it would be cool to, have some type of visual scripting for, maybe rapid prototyping or, just people kind of getting some experience with ECS. But I don't know. This is kind of a weird one to me.
I think either visual scripting or hot reloadable burstable code. Either one I would be very glad with, because being able to change slight logic on the fly when you're working and when you're debugging your complex game mode code, like orchestrating code, that's very annoying when you need to reload all the time and
I agree.
recompile
Yeah,
it.
that would be nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you could do a very nice visual scripting solution for that, I would actually use that probably.
That makes
But
sense.
if
That
they
is a good
had
use case for that.
yeah,
Yeah,
but if they had a hot reloadable code, that would also make the thing work for me. Maybe there is a way, but I don't know if there is a way to do it bursted, so that's why I'm a little bit stuck on that.